Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Okay, to start, obviously we've picked our green beans, and now we're going to go ahead and thoroughly wash our green beans under some running water and get all the dirt off of them. Go ahead and drain them. They don't have to be perfectly dry. We're just going to go ahead and be packing them in the jars anyway. When I want to have all my green beans up and down in the jar, I lay the jar on the side. Then I can easily measure how long I need the green beans cut, and I just put them in there. And once you turn the jar back up, you'll see that it works out perfectly. And go ahead and fill the jars up. Sorry, over there. Fill the jars up to the 1-inch headspace. And they're all nicely packed in there. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt to each jar. And then just 20 minutes in your pressure canner, and you have green beans. All right. You want to get people riled up? I'll tell you how to get people riled up. Tell them how your grandma did green beans. I don't know why green beans are the worst topic in all, most controversial, I should say, of all canning. But it's green beans. I had to do a couple extra waters just to fill this load. But yeah, so go ahead, process your green beans, 20 minutes, pressure canner, or however your granny did it. Fine by me, your kitchen, your rules. But that's all it is, 20 minutes in the water bath canner. Pressure canner. Green beans, beautiful, wonderful, healthy for your family. You have a great day, Rebel Canners. Here's another video you just might like. And before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.